Hi everyone, Tserofato here. This is a video of the face poster in Setswana and English to help in pronunciation of the Setswana words. Alright, so the heading is sefatlhego same, which sefatlhego is face and same means belonging to me. So sefatlhego same is my face. And hair is muriri, eye liitlo, ear tsebe, teeth meno, lips molomo, forehead is sekopo, cheek lerama, nose is nko, tongue lolimi, chin seledu. Hope that's not too tricky to pronounce. So just the Setswana words, muriri, liitlo, tsebe, meno, molomo, sekopo, lerama, nko, lulimi, seledu. All right, good luck.